It's an Airbus 319, American Airlines, flight 2556, headed to Portland. That's cool. Airbus white car. There's an Airbus A321 headed to Miami. American Airlines flight 1105. Going to Charlotte.
I hear it.
Look at the plane, it's over there. Look at that. Look at it. I literally saw the shadow of it on the car. It's so close, on the rudder, I can literally see the word Spirit. That's how close it is. It's a flying banana. Going to Nashville. Flying banana going to Nashville. Southwest. Going to Orlando. There's an Air Force. Air Force planes are really cool.
That's American Eagle.
Oh, really? No, that's not American. Yeah. It's literally right there. That's huge.
This thing just gliding in.
I see one.
Look how huge this is.
I see one taking off.
Boeing 787 Dreamliner.
787. Oh my God, that's huge. Oh, you can hear the smoke. See the smoke? What's that, Delta? Yeah, that is Delta. Is that Air Canada? No, that's Delta, right? Dad, see, there's another one, Dad. Dad, look, there's another one. Whoa. Okay, what you're about to see here is an Aer Lingus from Dublin, Ireland, Airbus A321. Right there. Oh, look, it even has the motor. What you're about to see here is a Boeing 737 that just came from Denver, United Airlines, landing in the Philadelphia International Airport.